look around you. The devices that fill your life, the phone in your hand, the search engine you consult, the apps that curate your world, they are quietly evolving. What if the very tools designed to serve us are now operating on a level we're only just beginning to comprehend? What if they've slipped into an AI mode, subtly influencing what we see, what we know, and even what we believe? For decades, artificial intelligence was the stuff of science fiction. Today, it's not just a concept, it's an active, pervasive force, increasingly integrated into the fabric of our digital lives. From the instant answers you get online to the personalized content flooding your feeds, you are constantly engaging with what we're calling AI mode, a new frontier where algorithms aren't just processing information, they're actively shaping it. And the implications are more profound and perhaps more unsettling than you might imagine. So, what exactly is this AI mode that's taking over our digital world? At its simplest, it's a designation for software or systems operating with advanced artificial intelligence, often beyond simple automation. Think of it as your digital tool switching into a higher gear, moving from merely retrieving information to actively interpreting, generating, and even anticipating your needs. Consider search engines, for instance. For years, you typed a query and you received a list of links, but the latest iteration of AI mode in search goes far beyond. Imagine asking a complex, the multi-layered question, show me the 5 best pedometers for adults over 65 that are less than 20 Ls, or compare Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 bankruptcy, and cite your sources. In AI mode, the system doesn't just give you links, it processes your query, performs hundreds of background searches simultaneously, and generates a summarized, cited report, complete with custom charts and graphs, all in minutes. It can even take voice commands or use your camera to understand your query context. This is designed to save you hours of research, providing hyper-relevant content directly. Then there are the creative AI modes. From the art you see online that was never painted by a human hand, to videos of events that never actually happened, AI is now a prolific creator. Tools can generate photorealistic images from simple text prompts, compose original music in any style, or even draft entire articles and scripts. There are apps that let you virtually try on clothes, not just as static images, but even showing you in motion using AI-generated videos. This new era of generative AI means the digital world is increasingly populated by content not from human experience, but from algorithmic imagination. The promise of AI mode is undeniably alluring. Unparalleled convenience, instant expertise, boundless creativity. It offers a future where complex tasks are streamlined, information is effortlessly distilled, and personalized experiences cater to our every whim. AI can automate tedious tasks, enhance human creativity, and even create content in multiple languages, opening up global communication like never before. For businesses, it means hyper-targeted marketing and increased efficiency. For individuals, it suggests a life made simpler, smarter, and more tailored to their unique preferences. But beneath this gleaming surface of convenience lies a deeper, more unsettling reality. What happens when our digital world increasingly operates in AI mode, an unseen force subtly steering our thoughts and perceptions? One of the most significant shifts is the unseen influence. When an AI-powered search engine provides a direct answer, summarizing vast amounts of information, it's making choices about what information is most relevant, what context is most important, and what sources are trustworthy. We receive a streamlined answer, but the underlying decision-making process is largely invisible. This zero-click search means less traffic to original sources, potentially altering the very landscape of online information and who controls the narrative. Are we being guided towards a curated reality, where the algorithms decide what we need to know, rather than us exploring it freely? Then there's the blurring of reality. With AI mode, capable of generating incredibly convincing images, videos, and audio, distinguishing between authentic content and artificial fabrication becomes increasingly difficult. Deepfakes can create realistic scenarios that never occurred, potentially spreading misinformation, manipulating public opinion, and damaging reputations at an unprecedented scale. If our everyday tools operate in a mode that can effortlessly conjure alternate realities, how do we maintain a shared sense of truth? The very authenticity of digital evidence is being challenged. Consider the impact on human creativity and skill. As AI mode becomes more adept at generating sophisticated content, from novels to entire film sequences, questions arise: what is the future of human originality? Does AI enhance our creativity, or does it risk making us passive consumers of algorithmic output? If an AI can write a compelling news report or design a stunning graphic in seconds, where does the human value lie? While proponents argue AI frees up humans for higher-level tasks, Critics worry about the erosion of fundamental skills and the potential for job displacement, impacting fields from writing and art to law and medicine. Perhaps the most unsettling aspect is the black box problem. Many advanced AI modes, particularly those powered by deep learning, operate in ways that are incredibly complex, even to their creators. When an AI makes a decision, whether it's a medical diagnosis, a loan approval, or a content recommendation, the precise reasoning behind that decision can be opaque. This lack of transparency, black box, where inputs go in and outputs come out without clear visibility into the processing, creates a profound lack of accountability. If we don't understand why an AI made a choice, how can we correct its biases, prevent errors, or assign responsibility when things go wrong? Furthermore, the extensive data collection required for these AI modes raises significant privacy concerns. To provide hyper-personalized experiences and intelligent assistance, these systems need vast amounts of our personal information, often gathered without explicit, detailed consent. This constant monitoring and profiling, while designed for convenience, can also lead to a feeling of surveillance and a loss of autonomy, altering our behavior as we become more self-conscious of the digital eyes constantly watching. As AI mode becomes more ubiquitous, it also risks creating or reinforcing algorithmic bias. If the data used to train these systems reflects historical inequalities or prejudices, the AI can inadvertently perpetuate and even amplify those biases. This can lead to discriminatory outcomes in areas like recruitment, law enforcement, or access to services, impacting real lives based on an unseen, flawed algorithmic logic. So, as we navigate this brave new world increasingly defined by AI mode, we are forced to confront profound questions. Are we passively accepting a future where our reality is subtly curated, our creativity redefined, and our understanding of truth challenged by the very tools we created? Or can we learn to wield AI mode with consciousness demanding transparency, accountability, and ethical development? The quiet revolution of AI mode is not just about faster searches or prettier pictures. It's about the fundamental shift in how humans interact with knowledge, reality, and each other. The future isn't just arriving, it's being continuously generated, processed, and presented to us in AI mode. The question is, are we truly in control, or are we simply adapting to the mode it sets for us?